Israel's military technology isn't just famous, it's world-class. From high-tech drones to cutting-edge missile defense systems, countries around the globe are investing in Israel's innovations. But which nations are actually using these powerful tools and why? Today, we're uncovering the global impact of Israel's advanced military tech, and the answer might surprise you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we dive into a fascinating topic: the countries that rely on Israel's advanced military technology. Israel is known for creating some of the most sophisticated defense systems in the world, and its innovations don't just stay within its borders. From Iron Dome to UAV drones, Israel's military tech has revolutionized modern warfare. Countries facing security threats or seeking to modernize their armed forces are increasingly turning to Israel for cutting-edge solutions. But what makes Israeli technology so special? It's a mix of rapid innovation, practical battlefield experience, and an emphasis on high reliability. Many of these systems are battle-tested, which means nations investing in them are buying proven performance. In this video, we'll uncover exactly which countries are using Israeli tech, explore why they choose Israel over other suppliers, and reveal some lesser-known nations quietly benefiting from these advancements. By the end, you'll have a complete picture of Israel's global defense footprint and its influence on international security. So let's dive deep into the world of Israeli military innovation and see how it's shaping defense strategies worldwide. Israel's defense technology is in high demand because of its proven effectiveness. The Iron Dome, for example, is one of the most famous missile defense systems in the world. Countries like the United States, India, and several European nations have either purchased or collaborated on versions of this system. But Israel doesn't just sell, it often partners with other nations to co-develop technologies. Drones such as the Hermes and Heron series are being used by dozens of countries for surveillance, intelligence, and precision strikes. Nations with smaller defense budgets benefit immensely because Israel's tech allows them to punch above their weight. Moreover, Israel's focus on cybersecurity and electronic warfare has attracted countries concerned about modern digital threats. For instance, advanced radar systems and electronic countermeasure devices are highly sought after by countries in the Middle East, Asia, and Europe. Israel's tech is designed to work in harsh environments and modern conflict zones, giving its buyers a strategic edge. It's no wonder that Israel, despite being a small country, has become a global player in defense exports, rivaling much larger nations in influence. One of the most notable countries using Israeli technology is the United States. While the U.S. develops its own defense systems, it recognizes the value of Israeli innovations. Programs like Iron Dome have been co-funded and integrated into U.S. military plans to protect troops and civilian areas. Similarly, advanced drone technology, missile interceptors, and targeting systems are being evaluated for American use. India is another major customer, investing heavily in UAVs, missile defense, and air defense systems developed by Israel. Countries like Azerbaijan, Colombia, and Singapore also rely on Israeli-made drones and surveillance systems for tactical superiority. Even smaller nations in Africa and Southeast Asia are quietly purchasing Israeli military tech to strengthen border security, monitor internal threats, and improve operational efficiency. The common thread is that Israel's solutions are cost-effective, battle-tested, and adaptable to diverse operational environments. For many nations, the choice isn't just about buying weapons, it's about gaining access to a technological edge that significantly enhances their defensive capabilities. Israeli military exports extend beyond hardware. Training, intelligence collaboration, and cybersecurity solutions are major components of its offerings. Countries such as Germany, the UK, and Australia have partnered with Israel to enhance intelligence gathering capabilities. Israeli expertise in electronic warfare and cyber defense is particularly attractive for nations facing growing threats from cyber attacks. Even in counterterrorism operations, Israeli technology, combined with tactical knowledge, has proven invaluable to foreign security forces. UAVs and surveillance systems help nations monitor difficult terrains, while anti-drone technology counters emerging threats. Israel's military innovation is not just about offense, it's about creating integrated defense ecosystems. These systems combine sensors, interceptors, and software to provide a complete security solution. As a result, countries that adopt Israeli technology are not only buying hardware, they are gaining operational knowledge and strategic insight, creating long-term partnerships that often extend into joint exercises, research and development collaborations. Middle Eastern nations, despite political complexities, are among Israel's tech customers in secretive deals. Some Gulf countries, for example, have invested in Israeli UAVs, missile defense, and cybersecurity systems under discrete arrangements. While official public records may not always reflect these collaborations, multiple reports and defense analysis suggest a growing trend. These countries are seeking a technological edge to strengthen their defense posture in a volatile region. Israel's compact but highly advanced systems are ideal for nations looking for efficiency, mobility, and precision. Additionally, Israel's ability to rapidly deploy, test, and iterate its technology based on battlefield feedback gives its partners a level of reliability unmatched by many competitors. Smaller countries or those with limited military budgets can achieve capabilities that rival much larger militaries. The combination of innovation, effectiveness, and adaptability ensures that Israel remains a top choice for nations worldwide looking to modernize their forces. Asia has also seen significant adoption of Israeli technology. India, as mentioned, is one of the largest importers, but countries like South Korea, Vietnam, and the Philippines have also invested in UAVs, drones, and advanced surveillance systems. These tools are essential in monitoring borders, maritime zones, and insurgent activity. Israel's expertise in integrating artificial intelligence with military tech has further enhanced the appeal. AI-powered targeting, predictive analytics, and real-time intelligence systems allow smaller militaries to operate with extraordinary precision and speed. These technologies are not only effective, but also scalable, meaning they can be customized for different operational needs. As regional security challenges intensify, countries turn to Israel to gain advanced solutions that provide both immediate tactical advantages and long-term strategic benefits. The growing trend is clear. Israeli military technology is now a global benchmark, respected for innovation, reliability, and real-world effectiveness. European nations also benefit from Israeli defense tech, particularly in niche areas like missile defense, UAV surveillance, and cybersecurity. Countries like Poland, Romania, and Greece have explored Israeli-made systems to enhance their defensive capabilities. NATO allies are increasingly collaborating with Israel to integrate its cutting-edge tech with Western systems, ensuring interoperability during joint missions. Israel's battlefield tested solutions, compact designs, and operational flexibility make it attractive to European defense planners seeking cost-effective, high-performance options. Even smaller EU nations rely on Israeli drones and radar systems to protect borders and secure airspace. Beyond hardware, Israel provides training programs, operational integration support, and intelligence sharing initiatives, creating comprehensive partnerships that extend beyond a single purchase. This holistic approach to military tech export ensures long-lasting relationships and positions Israel as a central player in global defense strategy. The African continent has also seen growing adoption of Israeli military technology. Countries facing internal conflicts, insurgencies, and border security challenges have turned to Israel for UAVs, surveillance systems, and anti-drone technology. Israeli tech is particularly valued for its durability in harsh environments, ability to function with limited infrastructure, and operational reliability. For example, drones and real-time surveillance tools help African nations monitor large territories efficiently, reducing risks for soldiers and civilians alike. Israeli solutions also offer rapid deployment and modular design, which is crucial for countries with dynamic security challenges. Beyond direct sales, Israel engages in collaborative projects, training programs, and knowledge transfer initiatives, ensuring that its technology is used effectively. By combining innovation, adaptability, and field-tested reliability, Israel continues to strengthen defense capabilities across Africa, creating partnerships that enhance regional stability and security. Israel's global military impact is also visible in Latin America. Countries like Colombia, Brazil, and Mexico have invested in Israeli drones, armored vehicles, and surveillance systems. These tools are essential for combating organized crime, securing borders, and enhancing intelligence operations. Israel's ability to provide both advanced technology and operational expertise makes it a preferred partner for nations dealing with diverse security challenges. Additionally, Israel's modular, easy-to-integrate systems allow countries to customize solutions to meet specific threats. The success stories in Latin America reflect a pattern seen worldwide. Nations want Israeli technology not just for equipment, but for the knowledge, reliability, and adaptability that come with it. These collaborations demonstrate Israel's status as a global leader in military technology, trusted by countries across multiple continents. In conclusion, Israel's advanced military technology has found its way into the armed forces of nations across every continent. From missile defense and UAVs to cybersecurity and electronic warfare, Israel offers comprehensive, battle-tested solutions that enhance operational effectiveness. Countries like the United States, India, Germany, and many others rely on Israeli tech to maintain a strategic advantage. The combination of innovation, reliability, and practical battlefield experience makes Israel a top defense partner worldwide. If you found this insight into Israel's global military influence fascinating, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our deep dives into the world's most advanced military technologies. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which country's use of Israeli tech surprised you the most? Let's discuss